I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our Red Grid Inkjet heat transfer paper.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our Red Grid heat transfer paper for an inkjet printer. So let's get started.
Okay, we did use our Epson Workforce Pigment ink printer to print this. And you will want to print in reverse. And I'm just going to trim around the edges. It does have a clear polymer background, but just to eliminate that feel, you do not have to get right on up to it. Just okay, there we go. And this will be pressed face down with your Red Grid face up.
There you go. Okay, so I'm going to press our shirt here, and we have folded in half to create a seam for lining up. Just a few seconds.
And I went ahead and I creased the center of the image as well, so all we have to do is line the creases up to get a straight image.
Thank you. Okay, so you're just going to line your transfer up appropriately. And we are going to place a piece of silicone down on top of our image. We're pressing at 350 degrees for 20 seconds at a heavy pressure. Okay, we are ready. And we are going to set it to the side so it can cool. And then we are going to repress after.
Okay, now that it's cool, we're going to remove the backing. There you go.
Thank you. Okay, so we're going to repress. We're going to just place our garment and image on our platen, and we're going to cover with a piece of silicone again. We're going to press today at 350 degrees for 20 seconds. Okay, we're just going to give it a minute, and then we're going to start to peel our silicone sheet off in a nice, smooth, consistent manner. Set it aside so it can cool just for a moment. And just do a light stretch on it so it kind of is more flexible. And there you go. You now have one personalized garment. Anything else you want to add in there, Meredith?
Sure. As always, remember that wash in cold water inside out and avoid that liquid fabric softener.
And there you go. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and please check out our product instructions online at coastalbusiness.com. We'll see you next time.